Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's early hours in the morning, and today I'll be very snappy. So in today's video, let's look at why cryptocurrency is not just money but also financial freedom. Yes, it is true that cryptocurrency is money designed to live on the internet. Everybody knows that. Digital money, money that is meant to live on the internet. And there is also a unique purpose why this money was created. Cryptocurrencies was created in the year 2008. That was the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the mother coin. It was actually the first cryptocurrency that was created, and this money was created in the digital space. You can't touch cryptocurrency, neither can you feel cryptocurrency. You can only see cryptocurrency. You get it? It's money designed to live completely on the internet space. And ever since the advent of cryptocurrency, it has also created numerous earning opportunities for people that have accepted crypto or people that have decided to adopt crypto. But some of these people now started thinking that the only reason or the main reason why cryptocurrency was actually invented was for the sake of profit making. That's not it. That's why if you observe on this channel, I've been hammering on the necessity of getting or acquiring crypto knowledge. It is very important, because if you have crypto knowledge, you will understand that crypto is not just for money making, or crypto is not just for the sake of profit making, but rather it also serves the purpose of financial freedom. You get it? If you have crypto knowledge, you can be financially free, as in the sense that you can store your money without your government knowing. You can store your money without your bank knowing. You can store your money without an intermediary, no middleman. It's just between you, your money, and the crypto ecosystem. Financial freedom. Yes, it is true that you can make money in the crypto ecosystem by trading or investing in it, or also hunting for airdrop. Like me, the first money I made in crypto, I made it through airdrop. So airdrop is one of the ways people start making money from crypto without having to put in their own money, because it's basically for free. All you just have to do is to engage with basic activities and get rewarded with these airdrop crypto tokens, and wait for it to be launched on exchange marketplace so that it can be traded against the United States dollar. It will go live and start trading against the United States dollar. By so doing, you can sell and withdraw real money. So this thing now really got into people's mind that, okay, that means this thing now, everybody needs money, everybody likes money, everybody wants to make money. And this money designed to live on the internet, which happens to be cryptocurrency, now gives room for people to make money online completely for free. You get it? But you should know that this thing called crypto wasn't really designed for the sake of making money alone. It was mainly designed for financial freedom. Back at which year, when after a war, the banking system actually failed. You understand? People lost their money. So many things happened with the banking sector. That was when Satoshi Nakamoto decided to invent crypto, because crypto will give you financial freedom. It will help you protect your money. Money is designed to live on the internet. It's not in physical notes. It cannot just, fire cannot just catch the crypto ecosystem and they start telling you stories that your money have been burnt or whatever. Armed robbers cannot just burst into the crypto ecosystem just the way they can burst into your physical bank and steal away your money. No, it's not like that. You understand? Your government cannot just crawl into your bank account and freeze your money, or your EFCC or your Financial Crime Commission agency cannot just, gain access into your bank account or your bank details and then freeze or seize your money. It doesn't work like that in the crypto ecosystem. Crypto ecosystem gives you financial freedom, anonymous way of managing and keeping your money. Nobody who knows if you have money there or not. That's why I so much cherish crypto. That's why on this channel I've been hammering on you acquiring crypto knowledge, because this is what we have been doing on this channel. We are teaching people from all around the world how to build sustainable income stream around 3 areas of specialization, which is the crypto ecosystem, the content ecosystem, and the social media ecosystem. These are proven ways to make money online, and not just to make money online, but to make it sustainably, because that's one thing I always hammer about on this channel. It's not all about making money online, it's about making money sustainably. That is why I so much give thanks to social media platforms like YouTube and also the content creation business. I'm a YouTube content creator. YouTube happens to be a social media platform, and the content creation business is what I'm doing here on YouTube. And this business has really stood the test of time. So it means that this business is a way of sustainably making money online, which is the content business. And crypto have been at the corner for over some years now. People have been making money from crypto. I have made some amount of crypto, actually from airdrop hunting and also from investing in it. And it still stands the test of time. The crypto ecosystem is always open for you to venture into, for you to take advantage of. It is always available, 100%. and it gives you financial freedom. Whenever you come in, nobody knows you are in. Whenever you go out, nobody knows you have gone out. That is one thing I so much cherish about the crypto ecosystem. So don't joke with this knowledge. You understand? If you have opportunity to acquire crypto knowledge, please do. That's why I hammer about it here on this channel. Crypto is money designed to live on the internet, like your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. No doubt. We all know that. Yeah. But the main purpose of crypto is not for the sake of you making money. You understand? It's for the sake of you having financial freedom. That was the main reason why crypto was created. You know, I didn't get to know all this until I became serious with acquiring crypto knowledge, until I became serious with airdrop hunting, which really helped me understand how the crypto ecosystem works. Crypto is not for the sake of making money. Nobody designed crypto for you to come and make money. But now it has given room to make money. It came, serve the purpose of financial freedom, and also serve the opportunity of income stream building. You can literally build your income stream in the crypto ecosystem by building up your crypto asset portfolio. You understand? Some people have done thousands of dollars in crypto asset portfolio. Some people have done millions of dollars in crypto asset portfolio. Some people have done hundreds of dollars in crypto asset portfolio. So this thing works. Free, 100% freedom. Crypto knowledge, the crypto ecosystem, 100% freedom. So don't joke with crypto knowledge. You understand? If you find opportunity to get crypto knowledge, do not joke with it. Financial freedom. You know, all these things I talk about here on my channel, I know you might be taking it for a joke, but I'll beg you, do not take it for a joke, because most of the things I'm teaching you here on this channel happens to be what I call the next generation business. It might not really impact in your life right now, it might not really take effect right now, but what happens in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years? What I'm teaching you here will be on high demand. Social media is taking over now. Massive adoption. Take a look at TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, X. What is going on over there? Mass adoption. The content creation business. So many people are now becoming content creators. So many lives have been changed from the content creation business, including mine. Both financially, purpose-wise, focus-wise, and otherwise. So this next generation business also gives you room to work from home. If you happen to be a crypto enthusiast, you can explore the crypto ecosystem from home. You don't need to tie in the morning, be on a suit and go to an office because you want to access the crypto ecosystem. No. Or because you want to become a content creator. Like me, I'm making this content from home. So this business gives you room to work from home. You explore the internet space from home. You try to build an income stream for yourself from home. You can literally do it from home. All you just need is just the digital skill. Yes, anybody that wants to make money online, your first thought should be the digital skill that I need to acquire. I call it the technical know-how. Crypto, not just for money making. The purpose it came to serve is for financial freedom. So if you find yourself in the crypto ecosystem, please focus on the financial freedom aspect of it. If you want to make money, please start with airdrop hunting. Try to make money through crypto. Please tread with caution. There is something known as volatility. Volatility is not beginners friendly. Volatility means up and down trend of a price of a particular coin or a particular product. It moves in an exponential direction. It doesn't stay stable. So volatility is not beginners friendly. Volatility can make you lose money, and volatility can also help you make money. Financial freedom. Crypto, financial freedom. Don't joke with it. Financial freedom. Okay guys, I think literally I just have to call it a wrap. In case you still want to learn more about crypto, how crypto works, the best way to put money into crypto, the safest way to put money into crypto, the safest way to purchase crypto assets, the best way and the best platform to purchase crypto assets. And you know that you can now purchase gold in crypto, same real world value, same value with real world gold, and you can purchase as low as even $10 worth of gold. Whenever you want to sell out, you still sell out at the same value as that of the real world gold. That is it. That is it. So guys, it's Daniel Anthony. What I do on this channel, I teach people from all around the world, interested viewers, how to build sustainable income stream online by taking advantage of 3 internet space, which is the social media space, the crypto space, and the content business space. I call it the next generation business. The earlier you start, the better for you. Until we meet again, it's Daniel Anthony. I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace.